Hi, and welcome to the team. I'm so glad that you've joined us, and I'm so excited to get you going. I wanted to give you your first couple of steps in what you should do next. Now that you're all signed up, I want you to launch your business on Facebook. I want you to take your favorite before and after picture, or maybe your own before and after picture, and I want you to post it on your Facebook wall. And I want you to make a post and say, would you like to try that crazy wrap thing? Or maybe who wants to try it for free? Inbox me. And then I want you to generate a couple of parties. I'd like you to book one, two, or even three launch parties in the next couple of weeks. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to log into your eSuite, and I want you to go into your back office, and I want you to do the Training Academy. This is really, really important. You'll want to take notes, and you might want to do it 2 or 3 times. It's really important for your business and moving forward. The next thing that I want you to do is I want you to get in touch with me so we can go through with the next steps and plan them out together. Okay, and you've been added to our Unstoppable All-Stars. Check out the files and the documents. If you have anything that you have any questions on, it's a little hourglass, little magnifying glass in the top there. Just key in the word that you're looking for, and any conversation that was brought up with that word, whether it be toxic or wraps or anything, will come right up in the search file. So keep in touch, and let's get you going.